Hi YouTube, we are Hardcoded IT and welcome to our first tutorial which is JavaScript Fundamentals. By the way, bakit ba namin naisipang gawin itong tutorial na ito? You know what guys? Napansin kasi namin that student nowadays, they didn't value the importance of programming. Mga IT, CES, and other related courses, napansin namin na tanging gusto nila is basta makagraduate lang. So here we are, planning to impart our knowledge para kahit paano naman ay makatulong kami sa mga estudyante ng ating henerasyon ngayon. So, hindi ko na patatagalin guys. Bakit nga ba JavaScript o ano nga ba ang JavaScript? Bakit kailangan pag-aralan? So, for us to learn JavaScript, dapat may basic knowledge ka kay HTML at CSS. Uulitin ko guys. Bago ka matuto ng JavaScript, dapat meron ka ng basic knowledge kay HTML at CSS. So don't worry guys, gagawa rin kami ng tutorial about CSS and HTML para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa paghahanap ng mga idea about HTML and CSS. Bago tayo magsimula, tignan muna natin ano nga ba ang JavaScript at ano-ano ang advantage and disadvantages ng JavaScript. So, JavaScript. Pag sinabing JavaScript, often abbreviated as JS, is a high-level dynamic, weakly type, prototype-based, multi-paradigm, and interpreted programming language alongside HTML and CSS. Kaya sinabi ko kanina na dapat meron kang idea kay HTML and CSS. JavaScript is one of the three core technologies of World Wide Web content production. It is used to make web pages interactive and provide online programs including video games. Sinagawa ni JavaScript na mas more engaging and more interactive ang ating website or web pages po natin. So ano nga ba yung mga advantages and disadvantages ng JavaScript? JavaScript is executed on the client side. This means that the code is executed on the user processor instead of web servers, thus saving bandwidth and strain on the web server. So, nag-run si JavaScript only in client side. Ibig sabihin, sa output lang po siya nag-run. Okay? So, JavaScript is a relatively easy language. Sobrang easy lang daw siya. The JavaScript language is relatively easy to learn and comprises of syntax that is close to English. It is used the DOM model that provides plenty of pre-written functionality to the various objects of pages, making it a breeze to develop a script to solve a custom purpose. So ano pa? JavaScript is relatively fast to the end user. So, as the code is executed on the user computers, results and processing is completed almost instantly depending on the task. Ano yung task na yun? Thus, JavaScript on web pages are usually simple so as to prevent being a memory hog. It does not need to be processed in the site web servers and sent back to the user consuming local as well as server bandwidth. So, nakaka-save daw tayo ng bandwidth with JavaScript. At the same time, napakabilis sa end user or sa gumagamit ng JavaScript. Extended functionality to web pages, hindi lang sa basta-basta programming language. It can extend the functionality to different web pages. Bakit daw? JavaScript is applicable in third-party add-ons. Good example, ano ba yung mga third-party example natin? Good example is QuizMonkey. It is enabled JavaScript developers to write snippet of JavaScript which can execute on desired web pages to extend its functionality. Ayan yung mga ilan lang sa mga advantages of using JavaScript. So, ano naman yung disadvantages natin dyan? In disadvantages naman of JavaScript, we have two advantages lang. So, in terms of that, we have security issues and JavaScript rendering varies. Okay, a security issue, JavaScript snippet once appended onto web pages execute on client servers immediately and therefore can also be used to exploit the user system. As simple as this. Kapag daw open na, nag-execute na sa JavaScript sa client server natin, there's a case scenario na or vulnerable sa hacking kasi it also exploit the user system. Okay? So, next, JavaScript rendering varies. Pag sinabi naman JavaScript rendering varies, different layout engines may render JavaScript differently, resulting in inconsistency in terms of functionality and interface. Okay. Example, nag-open ka ng browser sa Safari, nag-open ka ng browser na Chrome. So, there are scenario na mag-iba daw yung display at functionality using the JavaScript kasi yung rendering varies niya ay pwedeng mabago. So, dalawa lang. Dalawa lang disadvantage niya. Ayun, dalawa lang yon. Yan yung mga dapat natin tandaan para sa basic concept in JavaScript. Now, let's proceed to our basic coding. Basically, magsisimula tayo sa simple printing sa JavaScript. Ito yung basic code natin. So, basically, makikita natin na dapat talaga is marunong kang mag-HTML kasi meron mga tags dito or mga tag dito na HTML code. Kaya ako sinabi rin kanina na dapat magsimula tayo dun sa HTML and CSS kasi kailangan po nating matuto nun. Kasi kung magsisimula ka agad sa scripting natin or sa JavaScript, medyo mahihirapan kang mag-acquire ng knowledge. And bago tayo magsimula sa coding natin sa JavaScript, always remember na magsisimula tayo sa script. Ito. Sa script code natin. And standard lang, once na nag-open tayo ng script, lagyan agad natin siya ng close tag, kagaya nito. So, once na nag-open ka ng script, okay, dapat i-close na agad natin yung script po natin. That is basic. Basic close tag po yan sa JavaScript. Tapos sunod natin gagawin yung ibang codings natin like this. Balik ko lang. Ito na. Ito na yan. Okay? Language, because our language JavaScript, then type, text, and JavaScript kasi magpo-compose tayo ng JavaScript with this coding. So, type ko document dot write double quote, parenthesis or double quote, www.heartcodedit.com. Then, terminator. Dito sa codings natin, gumamit tayo ng method. Ang method natin dito is write. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng write? Ibig sabihin po ng write is the method writes HTML expression or JavaScript code to a document, meaning output of the document. So, ang output natin dito is www.heartcodedit.com. Reminders lang or note lang natin, dapat maglagay din tayo ng semicolon or terminator sa dulo kasi iyon yung nag-e-end ng program natin. Very important po yan. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yan kasi magkakaroon tayo ng error or walang output yan in case na hindi natin mabibigyan o hindi natin malalagyan ng terminator yan. So, tignan natin yung output. Tignan na natin. Run na natin yung program. Click run. Then launch in Chrome. So, as you can see, ito yung output po natin. Heartcodedit.com. Ito yung basic knowledge natin for JavaScript. I hope you gain something. Natuto tayo kahit paano. So, just tune in guys kasi marami po tayong magiging next tutorial for the JavaScript. Pero, bago ang lahat, huwag niyong kalimutan subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para makakuha tayo ng mga tutorial at marami pong tutorial na gagawin po namin. Then, at the same time, if ever na gusto mo pang makakuha ng another knowledge or idea, pumunta ka lang sa heartcodedit.com, yung mismong official website po natin. Diba po yan? Marami ditong tutorial, C#, Java, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP, and SQL. At the same time, meron ditong technology trend. Nakikita natin yan. So, please visit our website and also share. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig at panonood ng aming video. Thank you very much. Bitch, I wanna party like